From smart kitchen upgrades to clever home essentials, these products are designed to make everyday living easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Whether you're saving space, boosting comfort, or simplifying routines, each pick blends practicality with modern convenience to help your home work smarter, not harder. All products links in the description section below. If weekend cooking feels more fun when it's fast, fresh, and a little indulgent, this electric French fry cutter fits right into that rhythm. Picture prepping steakhouse-style fries for family movie night, veggie sticks for meal prep, or quick sides for backyard hangout sol without sore hands or uneven cuts. With a simple button press, it delivers consistent results that look and taste restaurant quality, while the sturdy stainless steel blade handles potatoes, carrots, and more with ease. Cleanup stays stress-free, so you spend less time washing and more time enjoying the moment. At just $85.99 worth adding to kitchens everywhere. Mornings feel lighter when getting dressed doesn't mean wrestling with an ironing board. This automatic ironing machine fits seamlessly into busy apartment living, business travel routines, or anyone who values polished outfits without the effort. Just hang slightly damp clothes, press start, and let even air flow smooth wrinkles while you focus on breakfast, emails, or packing your bag. It's gentle on everyday fabrics, smart enough to shut off safely, and compact enough to tuck away when space matters. For professionals, students, or families, it turns a daily chore into a quiet background task. Priced at $199.99 for effortless, hands-free wrinkle control. Imagine slow afternoons, game nights, or work breaks made better with that soft, chewable nugget ice everyone loves. This countertop ice maker slides naturally into home kitchens or offices, quietly turning water into fresh pellets that elevate sodas, smoothies, and cocktails without the weight. Its self-cleaning system keeps things simple, while energy-efficient performance means you can enjoy ice all day without fuss. Whether you're hosting friends, staying hydrated, or upgrading daily routines, it adds a small luxury that feels instantly practical. Compact design and quiet operation make it easy to forget it's running until you scoop ice. Priced at $389.99 fits right in here now. Busy mornings feel easier when breakfast comes together in one cozy corner of the kitchen. This 3-in-1 breakfast maker is perfect for small apartments, dorms, or anyone who loves a calm start to the day without juggling pans. You can cook eggs, bacon, pancakes, and toast all at once, making weekend-style breakfasts possible even on weekdays. The healthy ceramic non-stick surface keeps cooking lighter, while the built-in timer removes guesswork, so you can sip coffee and relax. Compact, colorful, and practical, it turns routine meals into something enjoyable at just $42.78 for brighter, easier mornings ahead. There's something quietly luxurious about stepping out of the shower and wrapping yourself in a perfectly warm towel. This bucket-style towel warmer turns everyday routines into spa-like moments, whether you're easing into chilly mornings, winding down after a long day, or adding comfort to guest baths. It fits oversized towels, robes, or even cozy blankets, heating them evenly, while the simple timer handles everything safely in the background. No complicated setup, just load, press a button, and enjoy that instant warmth. It's a small upgrade that makes self-care feel effortless and indulgent at just $99.99 for everyday spa-like comfort. Mornings feel more intentional when great coffee is part of the routine, and this espresso machine fits perfectly into that everyday ritual. Whether it's a quiet sunrise brew, a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, or hosting friends who love cafe-style drinks, it delivers rich espresso and creamy milk beverages with a single touch. The compact design works beautifully in apartments or busy kitchens, while the detachable milk jug keeps prep and cleanup simple. Instead of rushing to a coffee shop, you can enjoy barista-style cappuccinos and lattes right at home, exactly how you like them. Priced at $397.29 for cafe moments at home. When your desk setup works smarter, the whole workday feels smoother. This magnetic phone holder blends right into a home office or study space, keeping your phone perfectly in view while you type, design, or join video calls. Messages, notifications, and quick checks happen at a glance, so you stay focused without constantly picking up your phone. Its slim, foldable design keeps clutter away, travels easily, and even doubles as a headphone hanger when needed. Simple to install and surprisingly handy, it's one of those small tools that quietly boosts productivity every single day. At just $9.99 makes daily multitasking feel effortless. Lighting can completely change how a room feels, and this tree floor lamp makes it easy to shift the mood throughout the day. Whether you're relaxing in the living room, focusing in a home office, or winding down in the bedroom, the adjustable arms let you aim light exactly where you want it. With rich color options, dynamic scenes, and music sync, it turns everyday spaces into something more expressive and inviting. Smart controls mean adjusting brightness or ambience happens effortlessly, even hands-free. It's a stylish way to add personality and function to your home. Priced at $135.99 brings rooms to life beautifully. Staying powered on the go feels easier when your charger is always within reach. This keychain charger slips effortlessly onto your keys or bag, making it perfect for commutes, travel days, or long afternoons out. With multiple connectors built in, it handles phones, earbuds, and even laptops without carrying extra cables. The LED display gives a quick glance at charging power, while the durable design stands up to daily use. It's one of those small essentials you don't think about until you really need it. At just $17.99 keeps you charged wherever life takes you. For hobbyists, makers, or anyone tackling electronics repairs, this soldering iron kit turns tricky projects into smooth, precise work. The portable, fast-heating design means you can get right to soldering circuit boards, jewelry, or small components without long waits. Multiple preset temperatures, smart safety features, and 6 versatile tips make it easy to handle delicate tasks with confidence. Lightweight and compact, it travels well for on-the-go fixes or classroom projects, while the digital display keeps control at your fingertips. It's a practical tool that makes complex repairs feel approachable. Priced at $80.99 gives precision and convenience in every use. Walking to dogs no longer needs to be a tangle of frustration. This dual retractable leash lets each pup explore independently up to 10 feet while you maintain effortless control with one handle. Reflective leads keep evening walks safe, and the soft touch grip ensures comfort during longer strolls. Durable, waterproof, and thoughtfully color-coded, it's designed to simplify multi-dog outings while keeping everyone secure. Whether it's a morning park run or a casual neighborhood walk, you'll appreciate the smooth, untangling action and reliable locking system. At just $37.99 makes daily walks with your furry companion stress-free and enjoyable. Keeping a kitchen organized can feel effortless with a smart, multifunctional trash solution. This double tilt-out cabinet not only hides up to 20 gallons of waste, but also doubles as a convenient countertop station with built-in outlets and USB ports for small appliances or charging devices. Sturdy wood construction ensures durability, while the sleek design fits seamlessly into modern kitchens or laundry spaces. Whether you're sorting recycling, managing daily trash, or creating extra workspace, it keeps everything neat and accessible. Easy to assemble and built to last, it's a practical upgrade for any home. Priced at $168.88 blends function and style beautifully. Treats and healthy snacking become effortless with this frozen fruit maker. In minutes, you can turn frozen fruit into creamy, soft-serve style desserts without added sugar, dairy, or preservatives, perfect for vegan, keto, or family-friendly snacks. With 36 recipe ideas and easy cleanup, it's both fun and practical for everyday use or special occasions. Compact and simple, it fits right on the countertop for spontaneous dessert cravings. Whether it's a quick snack after school or a guilt-free dessert for guests, it makes healthy indulgence easy and enjoyable. Priced at $49.99 for guilt-free, creamy fruit treats. Imagine having a single kitchen appliance that can replace a dozen others. This multi-cooker makes it possible. From slow cooking and steaming to searing, baking, and even sous vide, it handles meals of all sizes with ease. Its oven-safe pot, triple heat technology, and 8.5 quart capacity let you cook for family dinners, gatherings, or meal prep effortlessly. You can saute, roast, and keep dishes warm without juggling multiple pans, while the included utensil makes serving a breeze. Compact yet versatile, it simplifies cooking without compromising flavor or style. Priced at $169.95, brings convenience and culinary flexibility to your kitchen. Keeping laundry organized and efficiently dried becomes simple with this 3-tier drying rack. Its adjustable tiers let you handle everything from long dresses to smaller garments, while the stylish fabric cover hides clothes neatly when not in use. Heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability, and smooth rolling wheels make moving it around effortless. Perfect for apartments, laundry rooms, or even balcony setups, it combines practicality with a sleek, modern design. Foldable for storage when not needed, it's an ideal solution for everyday laundry management. Priced at $150, makes drying clothes easier, tiddier, and more stylish. Cleaning tough spots around the home becomes fast and effortless with this handheld steam cleaner. In just 15 seconds, it heats up to deliver high-pressure steam that tackles grout, floors, kitchen corners, windows, and even car interiors without harsh chemicals. Lightweight, portable, and equipped with a large 650 milliliters tank, it provides up to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning while reducing wrist fatigue. Touch controls, a lockable trigger, and multiple attachments make it versatile for a wide range of surfaces, keeping your home sparkling and safe for kids and pets. Priced at $56.51, makes powerful, chemical-free cleaning simple. Keeping your home spotless has never been easier with this Samsung cordless stick vacuum. Its Hexajet motor delivers powerful suction for carpets, hardwood, and tile, while the clean station automatically empties the dustbin for hands-free maintenance. Lightweight design, multi-floor brush, and long-lasting battery make cleaning efficient and effortless, even in tight spots. With 5-layer HEPA filtration, it traps dust and microparticles, ensuring fresher, cleaner air. Versatile attachments and adjustable telescopic pipe let you reach every corner comfortably, from under sofas to stairs. Priced at $622, makes premium, hassle-free cleaning a reality for any household. Stay hydrated effortlessly with the WaterDrop electric water filter pitcher, designed to deliver pure, fresh water instantly. This advanced 15-cup countertop system reduces 99.6% of lead and over 45 other contaminants, including chlorine, mercury, microplastics, and PFOA/PFOS, ensuring every sip is clean and safe. Equipped with a long-lasting 200-gallon filter, it provides months of reliable performance, while its built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 30 days of standby power, making it convenient for kitchens, offices, or even travel. With sleek, one-touch operation and efficient filtration, this pitcher combines practicality, safety, and style. All this comes at a reasonable $45.99, making it an essential for healthy living. Elevate your home cooking with the Crock-Pot Multi-Meal Multi-Cooker, a versatile powerhouse that lets you prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. With dual-pot temperature control, you can slow cook, sear, saute, bake, steam, or keep meals warm all in one appliance. Dual sync technology ensures everything is ready at the same time, while the non-stick ceramic coated pots make cleanup effortless. Its oven-safe design and bake function allow finishing touches like crispy tops or freshly baked desserts. Perfect for families or meal prep enthusiasts, this multi-cooker replaces over 30 kitchen tools, saving space and time. Priced at $179.99, and is truly a kitchen essential. Bring the cinematic experience home with the XGIMI Mogo to Pro Portable Projector. Its 108p resolution and 430 ISO lumens deliver crisp, vibrant visuals, while multi-angle rotation and intelligent screen alignment let you project anywhere from wall to ceiling. Stream effortlessly via Google TV with licensed Netflix, and enjoy rich audio through dual 8 West speakers with Dolby Sound. Compact and travel-friendly, this mini projector is perfect for movie nights, gaming, or presentations, priced at $349 and a must-have for immersive home entertainment today. Transform any room into a warm, cozy haven with the Rizian electric fireplace heater. Its 3D LED flame creates a realistic, dust-free ambience, while 1500 West and 750 West heat settings allow personalized comfort for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. For versatile modes, flame with heat, heat only, flame only, or off, adapt to your mood and needs. Portable and lightweight, with a convenient carry handle, it's easy to move wherever warmth is needed. Double safety protection ensures peace of mind, with automatic shutoff for tipping or overheating. Priced at $67.99, this heater is perfect for stylish, safe warmth today. Keep your kitchen clean, organized, and effortlessly stylish with the Joseph Totem Max 60L kitchen trash can. Its smart vertical design maximizes space while providing separate compartments for general waste, recycling, and even compost, making eco-friendly living simple. Removable buckets with secure hooks and a carbon filter make disposal quick, odor-free, and hygienic, perfect for busy households. Sleek stainless steel adds a modern touch, blending seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Priced at $200.89, it's an easy way to simplify daily chores and elevate your home today. This wall-mounted soap grinder is a smart, space-saving solution for anyone tired of slippery soap bars and cluttered sink areas. It fits naturally into busy bathrooms, compact kitchens, or travel setups, turning solid soap into easy-to-use powder with a simple press. The no-drill, waterproof design makes installation quick, while the detachable body keeps cleaning and refilling stress-free. Its versatility even allows use with other powders, adding extra value beyond soap. Subtle, practical, and surprisingly handy, it's an easy upgrade at $16.99 in your daily routine today. This clever flip toaster is made for kitchens where space, speed, and flexibility really matter. It smoothly shifts from classic toaster mode to compact oven mode, fitting into busy mornings and relaxed snack moments alike. From evenly browned toast and bagels to quick reheats and small bakes, it replaces multiple appliances without crowding your counter. The fast, no preheat design makes everyday cooking feel effortless, especially when time is tight. If you like smart tools that adapt to your routine, this one is worth it. This compact bladeless fan is a thoughtful choice for desks, knit stands, and small spaces where quiet comfort really matters. Its smooth airflow keeps you cool without harsh gusts, making it ideal for focused workdays, peaceful sleep, or shared rooms with kids and pets. The touch controls and soft LED lighting add a calming, modern touch, while the stable base keeps it steady during use. Energy efficient and simple to plug in, it fits easily into everyday routines. If gentle cooling sounds appealing, this little fan delivers at $22.22 for your space right now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.